fasten seatbelt sign does indicate our 5% now into Madrid. That does mean if you are moving around the cabin, if you could now please return to your seats. Once you get to your seats, please make sure your window blinds are all the way to the top, your armrests are down, your tray tables are stowed, and your seatbelt securely fastened and your laptops powered down and packed away, ready for the cabin crew to inspect very shortly. Before we do land, please make sure you do review the safety card. It does include important safety information. In the likely event of emergency, please leave your cabin baggage on board. Very shortly, the cabin crew will be coming through with one final rubbish collection. Please make sure you do place all your general waste into the orange bag and all recycled items must be placed into the green bags. This aircraft is about to be turned around in Madrid very quickly, so we appreciate if you could make sure all rubbish is removed from seat pockets or surrounding floor areas. This would help out the cabin crew a lot. That's all for now, and enjoy the rest of your journey.
Dear passengers, welcome to Madrid. Local time 10:52. We're pleased to see you landed early. Passengers with special assistance, please remain in your seat until everyone disembarked. The ground crew will be further later. It was a pleasure to look after you this morning. We hope you enjoyed the service with us. On behalf of myself, my crew and the flight, we thank you for choosing to fly with EasyJet. We wish you lovely Christmas time. Thank you, gracias, and goodbye.
Mantenga el cinturón de seguridad abrochado hasta que se apague la señal de cinturón de seguridad. Ya puede utilizar dispositivos electrónicos. Eche un vistazo a su alrededor para asegurarse de que se lleva todas sus pertenencias. Tenga cuidado al abrir los compartimentos superiores, ya que es posible que el contenido se haya movido. No se permite fumar hasta que se encuentre en una zona para fumadores. Gracias por volar con nosotros hoy. Esperamos poder volver a darle la bienvenida pronto. ¿Sabía que también ofrecemos una garantía de precio inmejorable para nuestros paquetes de vacaciones? Tanto si busca una escapada a la ciudad o unas vacaciones en la playa, disponemos de miles de hoteles cuidadosamente seleccionados para que usted elija. Simplemente busque EasyJet Holidays y comience a planificar su próxima escapada.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Electronic devices can now be used. Have a look around you to make sure you take everything with you. Be careful when you open the lockers as items may have moved. Smoking is not allowed until you're in a smoking area. Thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Did you know that we also offer an unbeatable price guarantee for our package holidays? Whether you're after a city break or a beach holiday, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search EasyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway.